The summer season for the pet birds is hard to combat. In natural and open atmosphere, birds can adjust themselves in trees, shades and natural holes in the trunks. They have open water resources to drink and take the bath. But when we keep the birds in home or in an aviary, birds are deprived of nature. They have to face hot temperatures, severe humidity, and lack of proper, natural food. The problems are faced in severe when the pet birds are kept in the cages placed in homes at terrace or in rooms. To keep in cool atmosphere, one has to install air conditioner or air cooler with controlled temperature systems. However, mostly people can't afford these luxuries for their pets.